Welcome to Code Genius. Today we are going to learn how div and float and clear works all together. All right. So we have created a file, new file here. We just want to remove it. So I have to say rm float clear.html. And let's check whether it has been cleared or removed. We don't see float-clear.html here because it has already been removed just a few moments ago. Okay, so again we want to create the same file, so we have to say touch means create float clear.html. All right, and we can open it in code editor. Excuse me. And it has been opened. Where is float clear? Just I write an exclamation sign, then press on tab button. If it doesn't work, then we have to just push on enter. It's not working. Now it will work. I press on tab button and I will write here float and clear. I'll create a div, and inside the div I will write just welcome to class on float and clear. Okay, then I'll take a p tag and I'll say lorem 25 means 25 words I want, and then press on and button and then enter, and again write p, press on enter, and again say lorem 25. All right, now let's see. Right button click, open the file with live server, and these are our output. Now what we have to do, usually we have to put background color, height and width for our div. Okay, so we just go back. Before we do it, we want to link it with CSS file. So link, and our CSS file is index.css. Save it and go to index.css. Just I'll comment all the codes that I wrote earlier. Alright, and I'll take div as a selector, and I'll keep background color background color to green and color to gold. Width I can take 200 pixel, and height I can also 200 pixel. Let's just save it, then go to float clear.html and right button click, open the file with live server, and we see the div is here and p tag is right here, both p tags, right? Now we want to use the floats uh, float property, okay, and see how does it work. We can make it right or left, wherever we want. Okay, let's go back and go to index.css, and we want to use the float property, float, and we want to float it to right. Okay, and we will see the div will go or float to the right. Right is right side. Okay, so we can check now. Click right button click and open our file with live server, and we see the div has been floated to the right. Okay, now we know how to make margin, border, and padding, and so on. Now let's make a little more functional. Now let's see how we can take this div into the left. So to do it, what we have to do, just we need to go to index.css and say, instead of left right, we can say left, and let's go back and right button click, and it will show it's on to the left. Now let's do clear to take this to right here. So how we can do it, we can say set class and say clear. Okay, and go to index.css and just can say dot clear dot is class and say clear both. All right, and let's go right button click, open it with live server, and you will see it's already here. Now if you even put another class, sorry, another p tag right here, and p tag is of course always uh, block level element, right? P tag is always block level, and we can say lorem 25, save it, and just you can now check it. It will be right here. All right, that's all for today. Thank you. If you like our video, please don't forget to uh, press button on subscribe, like, or make comments. Thank you. And definitely, I always invite you to join the next session. See you in the next session.